In today's video, I want to cover Jupitrr AI. What you can do with the Jupitrr AI, you can create videos in the fastest and easiest way to add engaging B-roll visuals to creators, content marketing videos powered with AI. Okay, so you can start for free. Okay, we'll go through the pricing very shortly. And I just want to quickly show you guys the sales page. Okay, let's see how many people are using this website on a monthly basis. So you have about 31,000 monthly visitors. Okay, there was in April there was 45,000. Then there was a drop to about 17,000 in May. However, it's bounced back, and now you have a steady traffic, and this month it ends up into the 31,000. Okay, so it's definitely, this product is on the rise. So I decided to show you guys. You might be interesting, some of those features might be interesting of yours, and also might be you might consider to testing it and maybe purchase it if you feel like it might works for your business. Okay, so they claiming that they have over 10,000 customers already, creators. It's been available inside the AppSumo. However, I think that AppSumo deal is already been finished. I don't know what they're planning for the future. They might come back. I will leave this in a link inside this video, so you can go and check it yourself. Also, the product was ranked as a third on the third place when they launched on product count. Okay, so product of the day, they finished third. Okay, which is a good deal, a good sign. People like it. Okay, looks like the people actually are enjoying using this product. Okay, so one of the reasons I was also decided to show you this one, guys, is when I end up in AppSumo, the page of AppSumo, you see this deal is already is not available. However, there was 177 people left the reviews, and most of those reviews are positive. Okay, so it looks like this product is interesting. Okay, so now let's go quickly through the web sales page and see what can be done with it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in a minute on how those videos can be actually edited, using AI. Okay, so this is the sales page. You can do also some audio, turn your audio into the video in just one click. So if you have any, podcast, for example, and you want to add some visuals into it, with the help of AI, you can definitely do it using the Jupitrr.com. The website is Jupitrr.com. Remember, it's an AI tool, but they have extension.com, not AI. Okay, so yeah, that's the sales page. It looks pretty neat. Okay, and some testimonials from already people who actually already done this some of the work with this software. Okay, pretty much they're all positive here. So let's go quickly into the pricing and see what's available. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys using the free plan, so I wouldn't pay anything, but I'll still have 10 minutes a month to be able to create something. Audiogram exports up to 30 minutes a month. Okay, a file upload 200 megabytes and 10 minutes per file. There will be a watermark after the creation is done. Okay, and language support just over 50 languages. A resolution 1080. A resolution 1080. I think it's across all the all those bundles. Okay, so there is no difference. The same like a stock library, unlimited here, everywhere is the same. Okay, so the biggest difference is how many actually of those minutes per month you can actually create something with. Okay, so if you go with the starter plan, you still have a 10 minutes for the video transcription limit. However, this 30 minutes audiogram export will go up to 360 minutes. Okay, so this is a significant change here. Everything stays the same except 200 megabytes and 30 minutes per file. Okay, so this file can go up to 30 minutes instead of 10. Now the biggest game changer here, okay, is this creator plan for $19. Okay, so there is no much of a difference on the $14 plan unless you want to do something, let's say with your podcast. Then you have the ability to go from 30 minutes all the way to 360 minutes. Okay, everything stays the same. but on the $19 bundle, you have suddenly you went up from 10 minutes a month to 1200 minutes a month. Okay, that's a huge affiliate, and it's only $5 more, and you have a loads more being available for you guys. Okay, so you also have an unlimited audiogram exports, and everything stays the same, plus additional transcription is a $2 per hour. Okay, so yeah, this is surprising. So I want to show you guys now what's how we're gonna create something with using this tool. Okay, so AI video or audiogram. I want to cover AI video, okay, in this video. So you have a create a new video. Okay, so you can add b-rolls to your video, highlight different parts of your video, and automatically generate b-rolls. That's what I want to show you. Or you turn your audio to video. Okay, automatically fill your entire audio with b-rolls, including stock image and video. Okay, I don't have any audio here which I can use, so I'll be sticking to this one. Add b-rolls to your video. Okay, let's go through this sample video because it's the easiest way, and it shows you everything what can be done with the software anyway. So let's wait. We'll skip this one, and we will wait for the video to load.
Oh, so what do you do for work? And every single person that I had a conversation with that night have their own thing going on.
Okay, so here's a simple video. Okay, 28 minutes, 28 seconds long. Okay, so let's say, yeah, let's watch for another bit.
One owned a jewelry company, one was a producer, one had a podcast, another had their own coffee shop, one had...
Okay, so here's the video, right? So you know what it's all about. Okay, simple video, but we want to do some additional changes inside that video. So let's say that we want to add some b-rolls into it. Okay, so what we want to do here, okay, to add those b-rolls. So let's say that we are here on this part one, header star is tech startup. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to highlight this part. Okay, and here are the options available for us. All right, so either we have an upload image. So if you have some b-roll in your mind you want to use, okay, it's been stored on your computer or cloud, okay, you can upload it here, and that b-roll will be added inside this video and will show up exactly at the place where those words are appearing. Okay, what else can we do? We can add the GIF, we can generate video, and we can generate image. Okay, so let's start with generating an image. All right, so now AI is at work, it's generating an
had
image
a tech
for
startup.
us.
It was like a new world for me.
Okay, so now can you see here, guys? Let's see.
Podcast, another had their own coffee shop, one had a tech startup. It was like...
There you go. Can you see it? How easy it was just to add the b-roll, and that b-roll is actually quite relevant. You know, they had a tech startup, and the people here are actually shown as a
like
you know, the people are showing
shop, one had a tech startup. It was like...
There you go. Yeah, I think it's quite relevant. Similarly, what we can also do is, let's say that we want to do some additional, but this time we want to pick this part. Okay, one of the jewelry company, and instead of image we want to generate a short video. That video will only appear between those words here. Okay, so let's go and add it on. It's adding inside this video now. Okay, and it's adding.
One owned a jewelry company, one...
There you go. You've got a jewelry company, and there is a relevant image was taken. It was a relevant video was added inside this video. Okay. The thing is that those are all stock images. As I said, you know, with all those plans, you have unlimited use of those. Okay, so they are picking the right image and the right video, and they just working through to make sure that it's the best possible.
And every single person that I had a conversation with that night have have their own thing going on. One owned a jewelry company, one was a producer, one had a podcast, another had their own coffee shop, one had a tech startup.
There you go. You see, this is the magic of this tool. Okay, it gives you additional, help by reducing the time you have to do it on your own. When you, for example, create those similar images in CapCut. Okay, to add a B-roll, you just have to download and find the image. Here everything is done via the AI. Okay, AI is helping you out with creation of everything and putting it together. So I think that's a huge time saver. It's great if you know how to use the CapCut, and everything else is pretty much, I understand that whoever knows how to do it, it doesn't take them too long. Plus they can add additional benefit, their own personal touch inside each video. However, for most of the people, if first of all, they're not really sure how to use the CapCut, plus they might not have enough time to actually spend the time to learn it and then actually create it. So those type of softwares are very time, they save so much time. Okay, look, so a couple of clicks and you already have a couple of builders, and it's ready to go, for example. Okay, so what else can we do here is we can do the subtitles, change to the subtitles. So for example, at the moment we have a tutorial captions being chosen. We can go to closed captions instead of none. Okay, but let's leave it as it is. We can change the font of the subtitles, which you can change the color. We can number of words. Let's say that we want less words being shown on one word only or more. Okay, font size, obviously you can make it bigger or smaller with everything. Position, you can go it up, you can go it down. Everything is an animation background, a box highlight, and you can change the color to the way you like it. Okay, so this is all can be done here inside this product. You can also do this. For example, now we have a landscape. We can go to square or we can go to portrait. Okay, so everything can be easily done using this Jupitrr software. So I think, guys, that's it what I want to cover in this video. I think this is a great software. That's why I decided to show it to you. If you like this, please hit the like button. Okay, also if you have any comments, please leave it below, and if you can also subscribe to my channel, be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.